everybody, welcome to Kimono Kardio. This is Routine Rose. We got the rain hat, and we're going to turn around, and the rain hat, and we're going to turn around. We're going to do some gardening here. Pick it, give it. Pick it, and then give it. Scoop that dirt. Scoop that dirt. Plant it, and then a rain hat. We got the rain falling down. Pick it and give it. Pick it and give it. And then scoop, scoop. This is Kimono Kardio, so you know the routine. I'm wearing a kimono, so there's no excuse for you not to be able to dance with me. Everyone, anyone, any age, even if you're sitting down, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it for sure. Let's just have fun and get our bodies moving. It's Kimono Kardio. Now there's enough routines that you can actually do a different routine every day. So you can just do one routine every single day. And if you have time, do more. But let's just do it together. Yes, let's do it together. And we'll plant it. And here we got the rain hat going around. It's good. Let's have fun. Keep your body moving. Pick it, give it. Pick it, give it. And scoop. Scoop. Plant it. Plant it. And the rain comes down. In fact, you can even turn off the sound if you want. Watch your TV show, watch your cartoon. You can still do it. And every day, this should be your routine. Just put it on. And then you can do it with me. And we're going to get healthy. Thank you so much. 上手だったよ。本当に上手。Thank you, thank you. ありがとうございます。